Hey guys, Brian Dalinghaus here with Dalinghaus Construction. Hey, we wanted to let you guys know that we are still actively working, actively running inspections throughout Southern California, but we are also taking the precautionary measures to make sure not only you are safe, but also our staff and employees are safe during this coronavirus scare that we're having right now. In doing so, when we come up with our inspections, we have suits available, we have gloves, we have masks, we have shoes, we have disinfectant wipes, sprays, all the things that are known and the precautionary measures that are out there to limit the spread of this virus. That's our key focus when we're there. We also have been able to get set up on being able to do automated or webinar style videos with you guys to kind of limit the amount of contact that we have with you during our inspection process. And then video, phone calls, everything like that kind of comes into play. Us being ahead of the technology curve in the foundation repair industry has ultimately helped us out a ton, being able to help you guys still have options when it comes to fixing your foundation repair. Another great thing that we've been working on in the past few weeks since the virus kind of came into the US is getting financing set up. With the economy the way it is and fluctuating the way it is, we have been able to work with our lenders and are continuing to work with them, but have some great financing options. One of the ones that we have is 0% interest and deferred payments for up to 12 months for a full year. So that's huge. It then doesn't add additional stress, put additional pressure on you coming up with the financial cash right now to get your foundation repaired. But it still allows you to go ahead and get your home fixed, live in it, and reap the benefits of that work. So great time to be moving forward with your foundation repair. But also, like I said, we want to make sure that the number one priority is keeping you and your family safe, as well as us and our staff. So we look forward to hear from you. And by all means, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to us. We can answer any of those questions. If you want to set up a webinar, feel free to do that as well. So we're here for you and look forward to hear from you.